What's up, guys? To a new video today. It's quite crazy to know that I was in Apex and I became an Apex major like kind of like yesterday, and like today is like a new video, like me doing something like that. So as you can see, I am an Apex major, and also I choosing my avatar a lot because yeah, I want to be looking different. And I'm also in the clan. The clan is DNA. We are like the season 3 champions, whatever someone said. And I'm gonna keep on doing that. I'm still gonna be posting when I feel like it. But yeah, this is gonna be a bit different because I'm gonna be playing some few matches to show you how good I am right now and how I got in. And I didn't notice this before, but yeah, there's new weapons. You see so the new weapon, we got the cannon. You get to like aim it, and this one, the Cullis. It's I'm normally good with a crossbow, a deagle, sidekick, and shovel. So that's gonna be like my main load I might be using today for this video. So let's get to it. Dang, this guy has a good streak. You like my deagle? You like my deagle? It's purple. Yeah, I have that. I have Baby Shark too. I got all of the skins. I only got the red master, not all skins. I just have the red master skin, the blue master skin. I'm getting purple soon. But I might keep it at 6. Dang. And I got slime. Oh, dang. That pug knows how to use it. Okay, chill.
Round starting.
Bro, it's so hard for me to click. I don't want to become pug bait. No, what? That pug has crazy aim. Okay, I'm sorry, bro. I'll use a better gun.
Round started.
Be aware of the pug. What? I was right here. I'm pretty sure you like saw me last second.
Round starting.
Leave me alone, bro. Oh, those pugs after me. Got him! Finally! A 1, 2, 3! That's very nice. Okay, that guy has a really good aim.
Round starting.
Got the pug. The pug is such a good bundle. It doesn't really kind of pay to win. It just helps you boost up at a start.
Round starting.
It's not like you're just paying just to get every single gun. You just get like a decent amount of money and like some good guns. Six, 7. $40. I'm toast, I'm toast, I'm toast, I'm toast. I'm toast, bro. Oh my clutch. Bro, 53 HP. That was like one tap to the head. Okay, bro, see, I'm coming back, I'm locked in.
Round starting.
Teammate! Ah, this pug is evil, bro. Got him! Ooh! Oh man, I can't really use crossbow. Crossbow's better for like 1v1s.
Round starting.
I spammed. Oh! Stop spamming! Oh my! Ooh, that's scary. That's a scary match. That's very scary. Oh. Oh my. Ooh. Oh, next match. You guys, my MMR is so high, bro. My MMR is so high. It's
bro. You should have just took the silver back, brother.
no. That's not my actual rank. That's not my actual rank. I just get my MMR to 1. I'm trying to get my MMR to at least 0 or 1.
Round starting.
So. Got one?
They both equal. No way.
Oh dang! This guy went under me. Photo.
Round starting.
Chill. Oh my! They came in. Yo, we're not cheap, dude. They have one of them has a great sword.
Round starting.
Yo, we chill, bro. I got one. Dang! He's using great sword. Yo, chill out, dude. There's more food left. Dang, why does some people they're like twitching, bro?
Round starting.
Well, I killed. I'm sorry, bro.
Round starting.
Six, 7 on green. Yo! One at a time!
Uh-oh, bro. You're a little toxic little boy.
Round starting.
And I still died. Bro, GG's. You guys were great spammers. Yo, chill out, bro.
You're just terrible at the game, brother. He's good. You're just butts. I'm not gonna lie.
Yo, why did I say I button, dude? Okay, teammates.
But like
If
I
we're picking
always
this
say-
map,
Wait,
pick
Like I always say.
teammates.
it's not
Pick
about
this
the
map.
MMR, it's about-
This map right here.
Teammate, move so I can pick the map.
Guys, what rank am I? No, what?
You're a battle predator. You're a battle predator. You have no MMR.
Predator pick.
Okay, guys. Use this gun. Use this gun. Use this gun
Start.
and follow me, and we're all gonna survive.
What's my? What's
Guys, follow
Round
me.
starting.
You're a battle predator. Come on, let's go. We're gonna run at them. Come on, over here. No! Get in here. There, middle. Oh no, we're splitting up. What? Teammates, that's how we do it. That's how we do it. Oh my, this guy's. Oh my, great sword. Oh man! And I got slimed. Teammates, why were we splitting up? We're gonna stay together. We're gonna be a tank. Come on, this side.
Starting.
We're gonna go inside. Quick, here. Stand your ground. Good.
Targeting is illegal, bro.
Ooh. How's that illegal, dude? Dude, you guys are getting beaten up by low ranks, dude. Yo, this is the only way low ranks can win in 3v3s. You gotta use these. Get in, get in, get in! In! No, head back, Power Predator! Power Predator! Get back. Use a primary! Oh my, he almost hit me. I thought I'm getting cooked.
Yeah, I wasn't cooked.
Round starting.
I'm getting so cooked right now.
Oh my god.
Got one.
How did he kill me?
Holy double teamers.
Yo, bro, that's crazy, dude. I thought we were getting cooked. Yo, are we supposed to get cooked, dude? You're losing by a Rampager and a Battle Predator, dude. Dude, you make my MMR seem better. Low-key. Got one.
Teammate, use the weapon. Stop being your beast for only that.
Yo, lead your group, bro. Lead your group. Come on. Here.
Round starting.
Get them! Oh my, this guy's only great sword! Guys, two of them are behind here. Guys, I'll get a better loadout.
7 and 10. 97 and 10.
I don't think Sar can ever use crossbow in this video.
Yes, I got him.
Yeah, teammates. Just make sure you have this, and the grenade.
Round starting.
Yeah, I have it.
Okay.
Wait, how long have you been playing for?
Oh, like, I don't know. Pretty close to a year. One of us down! Bro, move! Teammates! Guys, use this. Shoot into the corner.
Call me.
Round starting.
One's coming in! Back up! Move back! Get the big sword! Yo, we did it! Sudden death! Okay. We are Battle Predators and Rampagers and Apex.
Round starting.
Oh! Got one. Got them! Yo, GG's. How do you guys lose? How do you guys lose to a Battle Predator and a Rampager, dude? You're a little Apex Prince.
Battle Predator in the field back.
Yeah.
Like, dude, look at this. Look
You're
at
a literal Apex Prince,
this. Look
dude.
at this, bro. Look at this.
Dang, bro. Even my teammates did more. But
Like 4 months.
yo, this is a good match, bro. This is a good match.
Dude, this is terrible.
Why? Because you're losing? Dude, my teammates were worse than yours. What?
Been on today.
I just got on.
Oh, you just got on?
Yeah, 20 minutes ago
I
or
literally
something.
just put the game on and I hopped in the match. I literally just sent it on like 2 seconds.
Yeah, I caught out a bad start. Yeah, that's a pretty bad start. Well, guys, that was a pretty good video. I beat 2 people and lost 1 match. Like and subscribe.